try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way.
G, this is Native Nature, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today, we're setting up a hammock, or how do you say it? Hammock, hammock, hammock. Drop a comment down below. Let me know how you say it. So yeah, we're gonna set up for my first time and see how that goes. Supposed to come around like that. And I do like a shoelace knot. You see how that works? Yeah, pull down, and it works. I don't know how much it's gonna. If I need to go up higher, we'll find out. I think I need to go up higher than that. Because if I do, I might be sitting on the ground, so I'll go up a little bit higher. Shoelace knot. Shoelace, hold it. And there we go. Just like that. It's supposed to. So it doesn't hurt the tree. So it's flat here. So it's not like that. It will cut into it. So it's supposed to go flat so it doesn't cut the tree. I don't know if it really makes much of a difference. But it's definitely holding, just with the shoelace knot like that. It's not gonna go anywhere. But I'm gonna do the other side. And yeah, so stay tuned. So, I got both sides set up. It'll be the first time I use a hammock. Hammock. Yeah, I got it set up. Now we're gonna see if I fall. Or if it actually worked. Here's the test. Hopefully I don't fall out of the hammock. Oh, this is pretty cool. It's a little bit scary, but let's see. Oh, it worked! Woo! Look at that. That's scary after all. I think I'm gonna set this side a little bit higher. Try it this way. I don't know. I'd probably have to. I'm gonna sleep like that. Maybe if I was to sleep, if I was just down here, I'd lower that side more. But yeah, I mean, it's not bad. It's pretty cool for my first time, man. I got this for my birthday from my mother. It is a Wise Owl outfit. I don't know how much it costs, but that's probably not too expensive. But, you know, I could have. It's 50-some degrees already now. I'm gonna run a ridge line with a piece of rope, put a tarp over it, tie it, secure it, put it down here like that, and I could camp out in this in summertime. This is nice. Way better than laying on the floor in a tent. Yeah, your back won't hurt. I also bring up, let's try this. Try this too. So I got something to bring with, try. So yeah, I'll bring this one so I can put it inside. And I made a big mistake when I first put this up. I just tied knots in it and put it up, and it just didn't hold, and it was way off. And I had in a tree over there between two, it was too far apart, and so it was up way high, and it didn't have that. But I think if I drop this side over here down a little bit, it'd be perfect. So I might redo that after, but I'm not gonna sit out here all day. Just wanted to set this up. I'm gonna put this on the inside and take this one. Oh, that's awesome. Just be lucky that I don't fall out. Oh no! Watch me struggle with my first time putting up a hammock. Let's see how much more comfortable it is with this. You see all these guys doing SPs? Oh yeah. Oh, you can feel the heat reflect right up to you on this. Oh yeah, that reflective pad. I got that Ozark pad. That thing's genius. Now my bottom here, nice and soft, and the heat's reflecting right back up to me. I don't even feel none of the wind or anything. It's so beautiful. Man, that's awesome. Oh yeah, I can sleep over here. Like I said, I'll lower that side. Come over here and do this. Like I might start using my hammock on some of these videos. It's pretty cool. Yeah, man. The wind hits you just right. It's like rocking you to sleep. It's beautiful. Yeah, with that, let's go to. I'll just lower that side a little bit and then we set. That wind is gonna rock me back and forth. Hop in my sleeping bag and get in here. I mean, I wouldn't even have to put a tarp up if I knew that the next day it wasn't going to rain, so I could sleep like this all night inside of a bag in this. I'll probably bring something to protect myself from the animals at night, but I mean, the water's right down here. I'll show you that in a little clip. But yeah, so this is the setup. The hammock setup my first time. On ENG. You're gonna watch me take down. I'll take the hammock down and see how long this takes. I'm guessing I'm probably not too long, so watch me. Like the bow tie like that with the shoelace. Pops right out. Put that over here for now. We got our reflective mat. This is nice, by the way, especially in a hammock. Push that heat right back, push it right back up to you. And this was given to me as a gift, but they were like $25, $30 at Walmart. I would suggest you get one of these. They're nice to have. They just fold up like an accordion and done. So yeah. supposed to fit back in this. I don't know about that. So we're gonna see. It doesn't look like it's gonna fit back in. You know how you buy a tent and you unfold it and then you try to put it back in the container? Yeah, 90% of the time that doesn't work, so maybe this will, maybe it won't, I don't know, we'll see. Where does it go? Was it like that? Oh my god. Any suggestions on how to put it back? Yeah. Just trying to figure this out. Oh, that's why I had it upside down, so yeah. It helps if you have it right side up so you can tuck it in. So yeah, I had it inside out and upside down. So yeah. And we'll see if it fits on, if everything fits back in here. I don't know about that. We shall see. We shall see. Look, it actually fit back in there. I don't know. But yeah, most of the time, you know, when you buy a tent or something, you try to put it back in its package. Never fits. Oh my god, look at that. That's awesome. Fit right back in there. And there's a little plastic bag that the other stuff came in and it all. So this was like this. It's like a plastic bag. Keep it nice and dry. In winter or in rain or anything. And the straps are pretty much just like this. And then rolled up into a ball, but I'll be able to do something different. I ain't gonna do that. It's too much, waste too much time on the video. So we'll just go like this and fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it. We'll take it and put it in the bag. See if we can get everything to fit back in this bag, like, but not pretty. I'm not. Now let's see if we can get it to work. In the bag. And this is just going right in my backpack. You don't normally travel with, you know, I've shown you on different videos. It's in my backpack. Just got a regular school bag. But yeah, it all fits back in. Whoa, it's a miracle. It goes right in the backpack. It's not like the tents, you know, when you take them apart, put them in a bag and they don't fit anymore. This actually goes back in.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best